Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Extend and Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Extend and Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Hi, I'm Mel with Little Giant Ladders, here to show you one of our newest ladders called Velocity. Starts off just a little over 4 foot 7 inches tall, but if you need a 5 foot, 6 foot, or a 7 foot high step ladder, it's as simple as rotating it straight open like this. Now, if you want to work on ground that's not level, whether that's ramps, sloping ground, or staircases, you literally can take this ladder right up the stairs with you as you go. Now, the one I use the most around my home, when you want to get close to a window or wall, normal ladders, the higher you go up, the further from the wall or window you get. But watch this. We're going to drop this down to a 90-degree angle. Get right next to that tight corner. It's much easier to work in those tight spots. Now, when you need to get up a little bit higher, just rotate this straight open. And now you have what's equivalent to a 17-foot lean-to extension ladder. Now that's 15 feet tip to tip, but you can reach 17 when you're working on it. It has the wide flares at the top and at the bottom. Plus we use rubber feet instead of plastic. Remember, rubber grips, plastic slips. Bring it back down. You're going to store this, again, just a little over 4 feet 7 inches tall. But one of the great things about the Velocity, you'll notice at the bottom, it has wheels. So you'll never have to carry a ladder again. Just wheel it from place to place. That right there is the easiest you'll ever carry a 17-foot ladder inside of a house without knocking paint off the walls. We do make the Velocity in a 13-foot, which is 3 foot 7, the Model 17, which is a 4 foot 7, and 1 foot taller, the Model 22. Velocity, great ladder, great addition to your home, and all the tools that you use around it.
The LifeWood Telescoping Ladder. This aluminium ladder has been designed with you, the customer, in mind. It is 12.5 feet in height when fully extended. When it is fully collapsed, it is small and compact, making it perfect for storing in small spaces. Each step can be individually adjusted to suit your needs. This ladder is designed to be closed from the top down. Do not place any part of your body between the rungs when closing the ladder.
This is the Little Giant Flippin' Light. It only weighs 10 pounds, making it the lightest ladder in the Little Giant ladder family. But the great thing about it is, it still has a 300-pound capacity. Now you'll notice too, it has skid-resistant feet on the bottom, and it's so easy to use because all you do is just grab the handle and fold it down and you're ready to work. Wide steps to climb up to the ultimate platform, and you feel comfortable all day working on this. Plus, with that top cap, I have a place to put some of my tools and equipment. When I'm done, I just walk straight back down through it, grab the handle, pull it straight towards you, and you're right back to where you started. A very slim and easy to store ladder. This is the Flippin' Light by Little Giant.
We're going to take a few moments to talk about the features and benefits of the Alta One by Little Giant Ladder Systems. The ladder comes with tip and glide wheels, so you don't need to carry it. Just tip it and roll it to where you're going to use it. Press the buttons at the top. That allows you to open the ladder, to telescope it, pull the pins on the side, tip it away from you. You can stop that at 4, 5, 6, or 7 feet. Do the same thing on the other side. That's going to give you a two-sided A-frame ladder that's rated at 250 pounds per side. So you can have 2 people on the ladder at the same time. If you're going to work on corners or up against the wall, simply drop one side down into the 90-degree position. If you need to work into staircases, adjust the ladder into the staircase position and work safely up and down a staircase. Now, if you're going to go up onto a roof, push the hinges again, rotate that top around, and then lean it against the house and extend the rest from the bottom. That gives you a 17-foot extension ladder from that 4.5-foot storage height. To bring it down, just reverse the process. Push those hinges, let that rotate around. I want to show you one more thing. We're going to remove the center of the ladder, the intersection. It has its own rubber feet. That's going to give you a 4-foot trestle. We're going to take the outer halves and turn them so they're both facing the same direction and lock the front one into the holes of the rear section and then spread those apart. That's going to give you your second trestle. All these rungs line up. That's giving you a 1, 2, or 3-foot scaffolding or a 4-foot workbench. So that's one ladder giving you multiple sizes of A-frame, a 90-degree position, a staircase position, an adjustable extension ladder, and a scaffold, all in one ladder. Now it comes in two sizes, the Model 17 or the Model 22. Again, that's the Alta One by Little Giant Ladder Systems.